If you've ever thought, I need better skills, but I don't have 4 years or $40,000, this might be exactly what you're looking for. Let me explain why so many people in the US are turning to Coursera right now. Not because it's trendy, but because it actually fits real life. Here's the reality. Most people don't need more motivation. They need clear direction, credible skills, and proof that employers care. That's where Coursera does something most learning platforms don't. Instead of random courses, they partner with Google, Meta, IBM, Microsoft, Amazon, and 350 plus top universities. So you're not just learning about a skill, you're learning it the same way professionals do inside real companies. Whether you're trying to start a new career, switch industries, or grow in your current role, Coursera is built for that exact moment. Take careers like data analyst, cybersecurity analyst, digital marketing specialist, machine learning engineer. These aren't future jobs, they're hiring right now. And Coursera structures learning around job-ready paths. Professional certificates, specializations, even full degrees, all online. No classrooms. No rehearsals. You learn on your time. Another big reason people choose Coursera? Flexibility without sacrificing credibility. You can be working full-time, raising a family, or juggling multiple responsibilities, and still build real, marketable skills. And yes, employers recognize these credentials, especially when they come from names they already trust. Coursera also isn't just for beginners. If you're already working and want to move into leadership, get into AI, level up in data or marketing, there are advanced programs designed specifically for that. And here's something most platforms don't talk about enough. You're not locked into one path. You can explore, test interests, build skills across different fields. That's why so many people say Coursera didn't just teach them something, it helped them see bigger possibilities for themselves. So whether you're starting your career, changing direction, or simply future-proofing your skills, Coursera gives you access to education that used to be out of reach. If you're ready to invest in skills that actually matter, take a look at Coursera through the link below. Because learning shouldn't feel limiting. It should feel like momentum.